SAY, blue screen showing in Windows 10. So how to solve, guys? Guys, you click to download and then click to stream this folder and then OK, and guys, and download the install folder. This is all step, this is your basics, and what we do in Windows 11 I tell you. Okay guys, I suggest you. So guys, firstly you uninstall, otherwise disable your third-party software like antivirus, and disable your firewall. So guys, you go to control panel, click search button and type CON. Now showing control panel and click to control panel. So guys, go to security, system and security, click to firewall defender, turn Windows Defender on firewall, click, and then off the off Windows Defender firewall. Okay, and then okay, and same guys, you just uninstall your third-party antivirus. Like you, if you're using free antivirus, so you just uninstall, otherwise you have a license, so you just disable it. Okay, and then restart guys.